They shine so bright, you might go blind.
Shenna Talks. Like and subscribe.
Liza Soberano update. Liza Soberano is now making a path through a world where anything and everything can happen. In this journey of testing and breaking boundaries, Bize Cosmetics comes along Liza as a fellow upstart making waves of their own in the beauty industry. Caption sa post ng Mega Magazine sa kanilang Instagram account. Umani naman ng sari-saring komento ang naturang post ng Mega Magazine tungkol sa journey ni Liza. Samantala si Enrique Hill naman ay spotted sa isang Loquery Pets kasama ang alagang si Millie.
Thank you for watching.